T-Mobile Home Internet delivers broadband via 5G devices like the Nokia Fast Mile Gateway. These devices can experience connectivity issues like slow speeds or Wi-Fi drops. Resetting your device is a common fix. There are two main types of resets. A power cycle, or soft reset, restarts the system without erasing settings and is useful for minor glitches. A factory reset, or hard reset, restores the device to its original state, erasing all custom settings, and is used for persistent issues. The T-Mobile Home Internet app version 5.2 allows remote diagnostics and guided resets. To perform a power cycle, first unplug the T-Mobile Home Internet device from the power outlet. Wait 30 to 60 seconds to allow the device to fully discharge. Plug the device back in and wait for it to reboot. Reconnect your devices to the Wi-Fi network. For a factory reset, locate the reset button on the device. Use a paperclip to press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds until the LEDs flash. Release and wait for the device to reboot to factory defaults. Use the T-Mobile app to reconfigure your device. Power cycles are quick and don't affect your settings, while factory resets erase everything and require complete resetup. If issues persist, contact T-Mobile support.